Hi, in this session I am going to explain non-linear wave shaping. First, in last class we discussed what is linear wave shaping. In linear wave shaping, any non-sinusoidal signal is applied, the shape will be altered. In case of non-linear wave shaping, when sinusoidal or non-sinusoidal signal is transmitted through a linear network, through non-linear network, then it is called a non-linear wave shaping. That means when sinusoidal or non-sinusoidal is transmitted through a non-linear circuit, then it is called a non-linear wave shaping. Non-linear wave shaping classified into two types. They are clippers, clampers. First we will discuss about clippers. Clipping circuit, it is made up of linear elements like resistors and non-linear elements like diodes or transistors, like this. So clipping circuits is made up of linear elements like resistors and non-linear elements like diodes and transistors. It can clip a portion of arbitrary waveform. That means clip or remove. Clipping circuit is made up of linear elements like resistors, non-linear elements, diodes, transistors. It can clip or remove the certain portion of arbitrary waveform. It is also called as slicers, limiters, and amplitude selectors. Clippers are classified two types. They are series clippers, shunt clippers. In series clippers, the diode is in series with load. In shunt clippers, the diode is in parallel with load. First, we discuss about shunt clippers. So in shunt clippers, first we discuss, these are also two types, that is clipping above reference voltage, that is VR. This is the circuit diagram of with reference voltage. Like this. This is the output signal, diode, reference voltage, resistor, current is I. This is the input signal. Here the Vi is the input signal, V0 is the output signal, VR is the reference voltage. Here shunt clippers means diode is in parallel with the load. First we discuss about working of diode. Whenever the diode is in forward bias, that means the applied input voltage is greater than the cut-in voltage of this diode, then only diode is conducts. For first working of this circuit is for Vi less than reference voltage plus V gamma is cut-in voltage. Applied voltage is less than this voltage. Diode is off. Whenever diode is on, the reference voltage plus cut-in voltage of this diode is greater than the applied voltage, then diode is on. In this case, applied voltage is less than the reference voltage and cut-in voltage. Then diode is off because it is reverse biased and there is no conduction. So whenever the diode is not conduct, it is open circuited. Like so, this one is open circuited. Whenever diode is open circuited, the total voltage VI is V0. That is V0 equal to VI. For this case, diode is open circuited. Diode is open means the applied voltage entirely appears at the output. Next case is for second case is for VI greater than V reference voltage plus V gamma cut-in voltage of this diode. Whenever applied voltage is greater than this voltage, diode is on. That means in forward biased. And here comes the potential. Whenever diode is on, then it becomes diode is on. That means diode is short circuit. This diode is short circuit. Then output voltage is V gamma plus VR. That means the entire voltage is V0 equal to, in this case V0 equal to V reference voltage plus V gamma cut-in voltage of this diode. Next one is transfer characteristic equation. We have two equations. Whenever this case this voltage and this case this voltage. So that transfer characteristic equation is V0 equal to Vi for Vi less than Vr plus V gamma. Second one is V0 equal to Vr plus V gamma for which case Vi greater than Vr plus V gamma. So these two are characteristic equations of this circuit diagram. That means clipping above reference voltage VR. Next we have to draw the transfer characteristic curve. So this is the transfer characteristic curve like this. Vi. Transfer characteristics means it can be drawn between output and input. Here the diode is linear. So this one with 45 degrees. In this case, so like this, I am drawing the input signal like this. Here the diode is on like this. So whenever this voltage is VR plus V gamma, from this transfer characteristic curve, below this voltage V0 equal to Vi. Above this voltage, that is greater than this voltage, output is VR plus V gamma voltage. That is, this one is the input signal and here the diode is off. In this case, diode off. So this portion is not appeared at the output. Only this portion is appeared. This one is diode is on. That means slope is 0 here. So the output signal is appeared like this. Input signal. So like this. Output. This portion is clipping. That means some portion is eliminated here. This portion is clipped. Only this portion is allowed or transmitted through a constant. Here the VR is the reference voltage, V gamma is the cut-in voltage of this diode.